How to change currency on Facebook Ads Manager. Now, first thing you want to do is pull up the browser that you want to use. Go ahead to facebook.com and then log into your Facebook account. Now, once you are on your profile, simply click on your picture on your account at the upper right and then go to settings and privacy and settings. Then go ahead to Meta Account Center and then go to Meta Pay. Click on your Facebook Ad Manager account. Now you will automatically be routed to your orders and payments. All you have to do is click on settings. And then this is where you can change your Facebook Ads Manager's currency. Just simply click on that and then choose on the currency you want and then click save. So that's how you change your Facebook Ads Manager's currency.